Across the sands of time, nestled in the Sindh province of Pakistan, lies a tale of two cities, Arror and Arror. Or are they one and the same? The confusion lingers, a whisper from the past. One, a forgotten kingdom swallowed by the Indus River. The other, a modern town carrying faint echoes of its ancient namesake. Arror, the historical metropolis, once flourished as the capital of Sindh. It pulsed with life and trade. Then the mighty Indus shifted, swallowing the city beneath its waves. Arror, today's Ruri, stands nearby, a testament to resilience on the banks of the timeless river. Our journey takes us through both. We'll delve into the historical significance of Arror. We'll explore the natural wonders that surround modern-day Ruri. Come, let's uncover the secrets these twin cities hold. Arror, the ancient capital, reigned for centuries. It was a beacon of the Rai dynasty, a center of commerce and culture. The city's heart throbbed with the energy of merchants, artisans, and scholars. Its streets a vibrant tapestry of life. From the 7th to the 10th century, Arror stood as a testament to human endeavor. Its influence stretched far and wide. Trade routes hummed with activity, carrying goods and ideas across vast distances. The city's wealth was legendary, attracting merchants and adventurers alike. But nature, in its relentless dance, had other plans. The Indus River, the lifeblood of the region, shifted its course. Gradually, inexorably, the waters encroached upon Arror. By the 10th century, the once great city lay submerged, a poignant reminder of time's relentless march. The Indus River, a silent witness to Arror's rise and fall, continues its eternal flow. This ancient river has seen civilizations come and go, yet it remains a constant, carving its path through the heart of the land. Its waters have nurtured life for millennia, providing sustenance and a means of transport for countless generations. The river's story is intertwined with the history of the region, a testament to the enduring power of nature. It snakes through the landscape, a shimmering ribbon reflecting the sky. The river's surface mirrors the heavens, creating a breathtaking tableau that changes with the light. From dawn to dusk, the Indus River is a living canvas, its colors shifting with the sun's journey across the sky. The river's meandering course is a reminder of the natural world's beauty and unpredictability. The river's banks teem with life. Here, the lush vegetation provides a haven for a myriad of creatures. From the smallest insects to larger mammals, the riverbank is a bustling ecosystem. The reeds and rushes sway gently in the breeze, their rustling a soothing soundtrack to the vibrant life that thrives here. The river nourishes not just the land, but the myriad forms of life that call it home. Birdsong fills the air, a symphony of nature. The calls of various bird species create a harmonious chorus that echoes along the river. These birds, some migratory and others permanent residents, add to the rich tapestry of life that the Indus supports. Their presence is a testament to the river's health and vitality, a sign that this ancient waterway continues to sustain life as it has for centuries. Here, amidst the reeds and rushes, one can almost hear the whispers of the past. The rustling of the reeds seems to carry the voices of those who lived and thrived along the river's banks. It's as if the river itself holds the memories of the countless souls who have depended on its waters. The tranquility of this place invites reflection, a moment to connect with the history that flows with the river. Fishermen cast their nets, their silhouettes mirroring those who might have fished these waters centuries ago. The timeless act of fishing connects the present to the past, a living tradition that has endured through the ages. As the sun sets, the fishermen's figures become part of the river's landscape, a scene that has played out countless times over the millennia. Their skill and knowledge, passed down through generations, are a testament to the enduring relationship between the river and its people. The river, a timeless link between eras, it flows past ancient ruins, remnants of civilizations that once flourished along its banks. These ruins, now silent and weathered, speak of a time when the river was the lifeblood of thriving communities. The Indus River has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, its waters a constant through the changing tides of history. It is a living link to the past, a reminder of the enduring power of nature and the passage of time. Taking a boat ride along the Indus offers a unique perspective. As you glide along the water, you become part of the river's story. The gentle rocking of the boat, the cool breeze against your skin, the sun dipping below the horizon, it's a sensory experience that connects you to the rhythm of the river. Each moment on the water is a chance to see the world from a different angle, to appreciate the beauty and tranquility of this ancient waterway. The gentle rocking of the boat, the cool breeze against your skin, the sun dipping below the horizon. It's a sensory experience that connects you to the rhythm of the river. the river's flow seems to carry away the worries of the world, leaving you with a sense of peace and connection to the natural world. It's a reminder of the simple pleasures that the river has offered to those who have traveled its waters for centuries. And as you glide along, imagine Arror's grandeur beneath the rippling surface, a hidden world waiting to be rediscovered. The river's depths hold secrets of the past, submerged ruins that tell the story of a once great city. Exploring these waters is like stepping back in time, a journey into the heart of history. The Indus River, with its timeless flow, continues to be a source of wonder and inspiration, a living link to the past and a vital part of the present. Rising from the plains, a silent sentinel overlooking the Indus, stands Arror Rock. This majestic formation, carved by the hands of time, has stood witness to countless generations, silently observing the ebb and flow of history. Its presence is a reminder of the Earth's ancient past, a relic that has endured the test of time. This imposing geological formation is more than just a rock. It's a canvas on which time has etched its story. The layers of sediment and rock tell a tale of millions of years, each stratum a chapter in the Earth's history. The rock's surface, weathered and worn, is a testament to the relentless forces of nature that have shaped it. The rock's weathered surface speaks volumes about the eons it has witnessed. Each crack and crevice, each groove and ridge is a record of the passage of time. The patterns of erosion and the textures of the rock are like the pages of a book, waiting to be read by those who know how to decipher them. Local legends abound, woven around the rock's existence. Stories passed down through generations speak of its mystical powers and its role in the lives of the people who live in its shadow. These tales add a layer of enchantment to the rock, making it not just a geological wonder, but a cultural and spiritual landmark as well. Some say it served as a watchtower for ancient Arror, its height offering a strategic advantage. From its summit, one could see for miles, making it an ideal lookout point. The ruins of ancient structures near the rock suggest that it may have been part of a larger complex, a fortress that stood guard over the land. Others believe it to be a sacred site imbued with spiritual energy. Pilgrims come from far and wide to meditate and perform rituals, seeking to connect with the powerful forces they believe reside within the rock. The air around Arror Rock is thick with a sense of reverence and awe, as if the very stones are alive with ancient wisdom. Whatever the truth may be, the air around Arror Rock hums with an undeniable mystique. At dawn, when the first light of the sun touches its surface, the rock seems to glow with an inner light. The mist that often surrounds it in the early morning adds to its otherworldly aura, making it a place of beauty and mystery. Climbing Arror Rock is a pilgrimage of sorts. The journey to the top is not just a physical challenge, but a spiritual one as well. As you ascend, you feel a sense of connection to the countless others who have made the same journey over the centuries. Each step brings you closer to the summit and to the sense of accomplishment that comes with reaching it. As you ascend, the landscape unfolds beneath you, revealing the vastness of the surrounding plains. The view from the top is breathtaking, a panorama that stretches as far as the eye can see. The Indus River winds its way through the landscape, a ribbon of life that has sustained civilizations for millennia. From atop the rock, you stand at the crossroads of history and legend, gazing upon the same panorama that captivated ancient eyes. The view is a reminder of the enduring power of nature and the passage of time. It is a place where the past and present meet, where the stories of the earth and its people are written in stone. Beyond the banks of the Indus, the Arror Hills rise, a stark yet beautiful contrast to the riverine plains. These hills, with their rugged terrain and wind-sculpted rocks, tell a story of resilience and timeless beauty. The landscape here is a testament to the power of natural forces, where every rock and crevice has been shaped by the elements over millennia. These hills, sculpted by wind and time, hold a different kind of beauty, a stark and rugged charm. The wind, a constant companion, whispers through the rocks, creating an ever-changing symphony of sounds. The terrain, though harsh, is a canvas painted with the hues of endurance and survival. Here, silence reigns supreme, broken only by the whistle of the wind. This silence is profound, offering a rare opportunity to disconnect from the noise of modern life and reconnect with the primal rhythms of nature. The stillness of the landscape invites introspection and a deep sense of peace. The Arror Hills are a haven for unique flora and fauna. Despite the seemingly inhospitable environment, life thrives here in remarkable ways. The flora and fauna have adapted to the harsh conditions, showcasing nature's incredible ability to survive and flourish against the odds. Hardy plants cling to the rocky slopes, their colors a vibrant counterpoint to the muted tones of the hills. These plants, with their tenacious roots and resilient structures, are a testament to the adaptability of life. They add splashes of color to the otherwise austere landscape, creating a visual feast for those who venture here. Birds of prey soar overhead, their keen eyes scanning the landscape below. These majestic creatures are the rulers of the skies, embodying the spirit of freedom and the raw power of nature. Watching them glide effortlessly through the air is a reminder of the delicate balance of the ecosystem. These hills are a testament to nature's ability to thrive even in the harshest of environments. The resilience of the plants and animals here is a powerful reminder of the tenacity of life. Each species has carved out a niche, finding ways to survive and even flourish in this rugged terrain. Exploring the Arror Hills is a journey into solitude and serenity. The vast open spaces and the absence of human noise create a perfect setting for reflection and meditation. As you traverse the hills, you can feel the ancient energy of the land, a silent witness to the passage of time. Here you can reconnect with the rhythms of nature, far removed from the hustle and bustle of city life. The tranquility of the hills offers a sanctuary for the soul, a place where you can find clarity and inner peace. The natural beauty of the landscape serves as a backdrop for personal reflection and rejuvenation. As you hike through the hills, keep an eye out for the elusive creatures that call this place home. The wildlife here is as diverse as it is fascinating, with each species playing a crucial role in the ecosystem. From the smallest insects to the largest birds of prey, every creature contributes to the intricate web of life. You might just be lucky enough to spot a desert fox darting between rocks or a rare bird taking flight. These moments of wildlife encounters are fleeting but unforgettable, offering a glimpse into the hidden world of the Arror Hills. Each sighting is a reminder of the rich biodiversity that thrives in this seemingly barren landscape.